MoEnergy is designed to meet mobile energy consumption challenges. MoEnergy is suitable for many energy applications. It consists of power bank and DC to AC converter, which can be used independently. The power bank can wirelessly charge your phone, provide LED illumination, jumpstart your car. The DC to AC converter can provide an AC output or charge multiple devices in 120 watts limit. When two parts are integrated together, MoEnergy can do more. It becomes a portable power station. It can power your tools, provide power source for Christmas lights, as well as charge multiple devices in 120 watt limits. MoEnergy can store energy from nature. It can be charged by sun or by cigarette lighter or outlet. MoEnergy provides mobile energy for a variety of DC and AC applications wherever you go.